cooks have finally found what they're looking for with the all-inspiring organization of the first ever 5-drawer refrigerator. Experience the luxury of 2 soft, self-closing drawers. The left temperature control drawer features 5 temperature presets for meats, cheeses, drinks, greens, thawing, and marinating. That means you have a customized environment for how you cook. Inside the right produce drawer, you'll find a produce preserver, which helps extend the life of commonly purchased fruits and vegetables. This keeps them fresh and right at your fingertips. This refrigerator also cares for your ingredients with the Preserva Food Care System. 2 independent cooling systems provide a dedicated refrigeration unit to help keep food fresher longer, and a separate system for frozen food. The Fresh Flow air filter helps minimize odors, while the 2 produce preservers help delay over-ripening. It even features a specially designed storage space that creates the ideal environment for herbs. And with LED lighting throughout, your ingredients will be beautifully lit so you can see your next bright idea. Get the refrigerator that has a place for every ingredient, including inspiration. This is how Kitchenaid keeps it fresh.
A revolutionary product with advanced features by Toshiba. A product with luxurious design and dark stainless steel finish. 573 liters capacity side by side to optimize storage. Digital touch control on doors makes it easy to control temperature and use different modes. This product comes with the auto ice maker feature, which makes it convenient to get cold water, ice cubes, crushed ice at any time without any hassles. It comes with the dispenser, where you can easily get cold water, crushed ice or ice cubes at touch of a button. 360-degree uniform and quick cooling air cools much faster and have even cooling throughout. There is a bottle rack, a perfect place for wine and beer bottles. A product keeping the pace with revolutionary innovations, ready to capture the market. Toshiba. Details matter.
Knock twice, see inside. The new LG multi-door Instaview. Knock twice, see inside. The new LG multi-door Instaview.
Honey, door please.
Okay, I'm coming.
1, 2, 3.